Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes fix Windows Explorer high power usage in Windows 1110. First method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Power. Second method is Edit Power Plan in Windows search bar. Click Edit Power Plan. Click Change Advanced Power Settings. Click Restore Plan Defaults, click Apply, click OK. Third method is open any browser. Type Intel Driver Support Assistant in browser search bar. Download, install, and update drivers. Fourth method is type Advanced System Settings in Windows search bar, click Advanced System Settings. Click Settings, check Adjust for best performance, click Apply, click OK. Fifth method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Type SFC /scanno. Type DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.